This is the story of India's response to the inhuman act done by the Pakistanis before. And this is here to make people aware that anyone who tries to disturb the peace of this nation will pay the price they will never forget. This operation was never made public because whatever the 9th Battalion of the Parachute Regiment of Indian Army did will leave you with answers to many questions. Hello and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Hemant and now we are going to discuss about an untold story that will make you more motivated in your preparation to join the Indian Armed Forces. SSB Crack Exams is India's largest, most preferred online defense exams preparation portal. It is one-stop solution for you if you are preparing for NDA, CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army and Indian Air Force Airmen Group X and Group Y. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and even directly visit us through our website learn.ssbcrackexams.com to have each and every defense related information in detail, and you can download our app from Google Play Store where you can have all sorts of defense related information, the entrance exam related content and the study material all in your hand in your mobile phone. Beginning with what actually happened with this particular operation, this operation was done by the 9 Para SF, and 9 Para SF is said to be one of the most decorated units of the Indian Army. This battalion is also called the Ghost Operators of Indian Army, and due to it being highly secretive. If we list out the accomplishments of this battalion and its success stories, the list won't end so fast. 9 Para SF's training includes learning local languages, crawling through mud, holding breath underwater, surviving in a jungle, guerrilla warfare, and even doing successful missions in groups of 2 or 3 and even surviving alone at any time in any sort of environments. 9 Para SF was actually raised in the year of 1966 as 9th Parachute Commando Battalion and is the oldest among all of the 8 Para SF units of the Indian Army. This particular battalion is attached to the Parachute Regiment of the Indian Army. Going through what are actually the roles of the Para SF are that it includes many kinds of special operations which include the counter-terrorism, hostage rescue, direct action, special reconnaissance, counter-narcotic operations, covert operations, counter-intelligence, counter-insurgency and counter-proliferation. Now, to get more in detail about the various operations done by the Para SF regiment include the Operation Mandol and Operation Chachro Raid, which were done in the year of 1971 during the Indo-Pakistani War, Operation Blue Star of 1984, operations with Sri Lanka in 1987, Operation Cactus 1988 at Maldives, Kargil War in 1999, Operation Kukri in 2000 at Sierra Leone, Operation Summer Storm in 2009, ongoing counter-insurgency operations at Kashmir and at the hostile northeastern borders, counter-terrorist operation in Samba, counter-insurgency operation in Myanmar in 2015, and even the surgical strikes in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir which were done recently in the year of 2016. To get more in detail, I would like to tell you about what is the speciality of this particular operation and why is this operation so secretive, what is so special about this operation, and why are we at SSB Crack Exams are covering this as a very important issue. This happened in the year of 2001 where the counter-insurgency operations were at its peak. In the year of 1999, the Pakistani people have faced a very befitting reply from the Indian Army. We got most of the Kargil sector and we won the Kargil war, and this was a very humiliating issue for the Pakistanis on the other side. Every time when they feel humiliated, they try to infiltrate into our borders, and that is why this particular issue has been a very considerable thing for us. And where did it all started was that there was a community known as the Bakarwal community who lived in the different areas of the Himalayan ranges, especially the Pir Panjal ranges. They used to live by means of shepherding and goat herding and were at that point of time facing problems from the Pakistani infiltrators. They were also known as the Gujars of Kashmir. Pakistani soldiers were continuously intruding a sector which was close to LOC. This was a sector which was a LOC hugging sector, and they were killing the recent Bakarwals, the resident Bakarwals, and they were not only just killing them, they were beheading them and they were even stealing their animals. This was very humiliating for us. What happened next? All of the Gujars have reached the Indian Army for help. The moment Indian Army understood this, the 9 Para Battalion understood the situation and they got the opportunity to avenge the attacks. Here, this operation was so special because the CO himself took charge to teach the infiltrators a good and an unforgettable lesson in their whole lifetime. That is why we call this a very important and special operation. This was named as Operation Apache, and this was a company level operation of 9 Para SF which started from an LOC hugging sector. It is believed that this operation was so secret that even the government at that point of time didn't knew about it. It was so special because the CEO himself was leading the operation, and this turned out later to be a very, very critical one in restoring the peace in the areas of Jammu and Kashmir. It happened on the date of 19th of November 2001, where in the pitch dark night of that particular day, around 70 men of 9 para SF have crossed the LOC. The target to teach the Pakistanis a lesson was intentionally chosen to be an area 1 kilometer near the Pakistanis' biggest brigade. That was a very bravest issue for us to consider, and taking such sort of decisions to teach them a lesson is to tell every time to the Pakistani army that we are never less than you and we are always superior to you in any kind of war conflicts. What happened next? The Pakistanis have spotted and recognized the 9 para men. They have reached there all up to the area. They have reached the target. The moment they reach there, the Pakistanis have spotted and recognized our men. Simultaneously, our men also confirmed the identity of the enemy, and just then the massacre began. This time, our men did not spare even a single soldier. Everyone present there, their heads were plucked out. And this was a very befitting reply given by Indian Army to the Pakistani infiltrators who were not following the orders of the government. This is an image that I am going to put forward to you, and this is a proof that this operation happened. You can see it here that Operation Apache is mentioned, and the date that it was operated on 19th of November 2001 is mentioned. All of these are the beheaded heads of the Pakistani infiltrators holded by our para SF soldiers. This is a very brave moment for us, and this kind of operation always speaks about the courage and the determination possessed by the Indian Army. Every time the Pakistani terrorists are showcasing their vulgar, uneducated and uncivilized mind to trap the innocent Kashmiris, and they are not only just trapping the Kashmiris but they are also killing them, beheading them. This is a sort of reply that is given by the Indian Armed Forces that not only we can die for our country, we can take lives for our country too. The way the 9 para SF soldiers have beheaded each and every Pakistani infiltrator sends a very dangerous and very clear message to the Pakistanis that they should not mess with the peace of India, especially they should not mess with the Indian Armed Forces. The 9 para SF is thus renowned for winning the most battle time gallantry awards that include many Paramveer Chakras and Mahavir Chakras and Veer Chakras. Para commandos always keep the motivation strong in the Indian Army. They are the hardest, bravest, toughest and most indomitable warriors of Indian Army. We at SSB Crack Exams wish that each and every one of you watching this video soon get into the armed forces and be a part of this elite team. Giving everything for nation is itself proud enough to be alive. Stay motivated for more such stories and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable content. Stay home, stay safe and Jai Hind.